The electrical in my great-grandparents' 1940s house. It was something. There was a mix of the original wiring and some updates from the 90s. I think there was a single outlet in every room, and each floor was pretty much on its own circuit. If you don't know what that means, basically a major fire hazard and definitely not up to today's standards. Now, if you remember, we also took the chimney out back in November because we changed the heat source from an oil furnace to electric baseboard and mini split. Yes, this is more cost-effective in our area. So that being said, we brought in our electrician to rewire the entire house. Everything was fine and dandy until he went to connect the new wiring to the panel. He took out a breaker and bam! This lovely scorch mark meant that we needed a new panel. But it doesn't end there. Because we were replacing the panel, we were now required to update the exterior electrical as well. So, our electrician ordered a new panel, new mast, and a bucket truck. And he was a trooper because it was so hot that day. Once he was finished with his part of the installation, St. John Energy came out and hooked up the new power lines right in the middle of the existing line. I think that's called a splice. Correct me if I'm wrong because I've spent way too long trying to remember what that was called. I'll get a close-up once we finish the siding, but we've covered the mast and all you can really see now is the meter. It looks way better in my opinion than painting it. And there we have it, the most expensive part of this entire renovation.